inflating a balloon violate Boyle's law. Boyle's law states that volume of a gas is inversely proportional to the applied pressure, whereas inflating balloon violates Boyle's law because there is increases in a volume with increases pressure.
Why is pressure constant in the balloon? The balloon is stable because the expanding force, due to the pressure difference, is balancing by the contracting exerted by the surface tension of the rubber.
What is the force causing the balloon to go forward? The air pushing its way out of the balloon is an action force, and it causes an equal reaction, which is movement of the balloon.
Boyle's law is a gas law stating that the pressure and volume of a gas have inverse relationship.